Creating the limits for defining basins in the ASE is relatively simple. If you choose to use this option, it's not a requirement of the program. But to start, you'll need to create 3D polylines at any desired elevation. So I've created a layer here called Basin Limits, and I'll make that my current layer. And from here, it's just simply a matter of finding where your basins are located. And in this case, I do have some pre-designed underlay that was already done, so I'll just go into the 3D polyline and create a closed polyline of segmented vertices. I'm not going to snap. I'll just make this a kind of a quick and dirty job here. You can't use curves on 3D polylines, so you won't be able to use those in any basins that you define. You can adjust the horizontal position of these vertices after the basin is defined or anytime during the life cycle of the basin. So last vertex, I'll go ahead and close it, and that's all we need for a basin definition in ASE. I'll go ahead and do the same for the remaining basins.